Hi guys, again I want to show you the one trick how to make the style and use the library from the S-drummer from the Toontrack. We show the one trick when I find it. So let's use this style first. Get this good one. Let's do going on the style editor first and going there. I need to find the drum section. Should be this one. Which one is the main one? Yeah, this one. Okay. Let's do going on the main one. First now, excuse me, so let's change this one. I wanna change now. It's the DMX sampler here. I wanna change with the Toontrack with S-drummer 3. I just volt. Right, the S-drummer now is ready. I like it, it's very good. This is the Yamaha set, and need to wait to volt because this set is almost the 1.6 megabyte. This is it's so heavy. But anyway, so what is the trick now? I'm sended this drum track is here just to play now with the S-drummer. Let's just put this one right. Let's do going on the B. Right. So what is the trick? We're going on the library here, and I will try to find it some similar style, like on this style from the library. Let's just see, like this one. Not so bad. So let's go in here on the track 1 and see. This is the track 1, the main A. So let's going there and choosing the mark and delete. And what happened? I'll get this style here and just in the base there. Right, that's so longer, but let's to see this one clear. Let's to see what happened now. Just change the tempo. This is the sound on the support drama. Okay, let's put the take off the another tracks. So I'm using this style from the library on the S-drummer. So I wanna use it I wanna use it the sampler. So we change again, just in the, I will keep the distance here, and we're going again on the sampler. We'll see what happens. Right, let's see. So here we have now location. Location is on the different places here. I have this track. Let's do this one. Need to move from here on the different places. So now let's just to mark this one here, and need to change the position on different location, because on the S drama play on the different location on the drum map. I will be try. Let's start move. So the first one, this one is good here. No, this one. Actually, need to mark only this track here. I will try to mark only this track. Yeah. Let's carry on. Yes, I mark it. I wanna change on the different places. Yeah, and now we try to move on the different places. Yes. I think here is fine. So which one is this one? It's nothing. Nothing should be. It's to mark in this one as well. Oh, this one need to move from here as well. Let's to move this one as well. Maybe should be this one. Yeah, let's to try. Yeah, it should be this one, or maybe one more down. We'll leave it like this one. So let's do up a little bit the yeah. Right, so this one is need to be here on the another, yeah, on the main C, and now let's see what happens. Okay, let's do going now. I will save. Like we save. Like as drummer test, just for my case, and let's to see now the stuff, how is the working. Good, interesting. I hope to be interesting this trick for you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.